Join me as I explore Prague to see if it really is the new cheapest city in Europe for 2024. With the rising costs of travel, many of us are on the hunt for affordable destinations in Europe. We're not just looking for cheap, we're looking for quality on a budget. And that's exactly why Prague has been gaining popularity among travelers. It's a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and entertainment without breaking the bank. But just how affordable is Prague, really? Traveling in Europe can be a real challenge when it comes to finding budget-friendly options. One city might offer affordable accommodation, but then you're hit with high food prices or costly attractions. It's a constant trade-off, and that's what makes it so difficult to pinpoint the cheapest city in Europe. Budapest was once the go-to destination for travelers on a tight budget, but has it been dethroned by Prague? We'll delve into that later. The truth is, costs can vary greatly across European cities, and it's not just a matter of comparing prices. You need to consider the overall value you're getting for your money. Is that cheap hostel really worth it, if you're sacrificing location and comfort? Are those affordable meals compromising on taste and quality? These are the questions we need to ask ourselves when searching for the ultimate budget-friendly destination. As travelers, we're always on the lookout for that elusive combination of affordability and quality. It's a delicate balance that can make or break our travel experience. And that's exactly what we'll be exploring in Prague. Is it the perfect blend of budget-friendly and amazing experiences? When it comes to traveling in Prague, accommodation is a great place to start. You can find hostels and Airbnb apartments for a fraction of the cost of what you'd pay in Western Europe. And the best part? Many of these options are centrally located, so you're not sacrificing convenience for affordability. Food is another area where Prague shines. You can indulge in hearty Czech cuisine for under 10 euros a meal. And let's not forget about transportation. Public transport is efficient and affordable, making it easy to get around the city. But what about attractions? Are they cheap or overpriced? The good news is that many of Prague's famous landmarks like Charles Bridge and St. Vitus Cathedral are free to visit. And if you're willing to venture off the beaten path, you can discover some amazing hidden gems without breaking the bank. There are plenty of affordable museums and galleries to explore, and even a day trip to the nearby Bohemian Switzerland National Park won't burn a hole in your pocket. So, what do recent travelers think about Prague's affordability? According to one traveler, I was blown away by how affordable Prague was. I paid 20 euros for a 3-course meal and visited the Prague Castle for just 12 euros. Another traveler shared, I stayed in a hostel for 15 euros a night and was able to explore the entire city using public transport. From these testimonials, it's clear that Prague is offering something truly special for travelers on a budget. But just how affordable is it really? After crunching the numbers, I found that you can easily get by on 30 to 40 euros a day, including accommodation, food, transportation, and attractions. That's an incredible value for a European city. In conclusion, Prague is definitely a top contender for the cheapest city in Europe. From affordable accommodation and food to budget-friendly attractions, it's a city that truly offers value for money. So, if you're looking for a European destination that won't break the bank, add Prague to your bucket list. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own Prague travel experiences in the comments below. If you want more travel tips and guides, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.